Okay guys, we're gonna throw down this cooler refrigerator thing. Let's grab it. Okay, here we go. Hold up. Here we go.
It just starts smashing it.
Okay guys, this is Jason.
Wait, Bobby, wait, actually stop. Because I want to bring it up and throw it back down.
Okay, just let me do this
after.
So I can get it off.
Just don't stop. Stop. I want to try down.
Bob, this machete cuts good.
Right, going down the middle. Oh. Okay, no, wait. Stop. So I want to pull it on my door.
I want to cut it one more time.
So Bobby, can you press record on my phone? Oh, there you go.
This time, can you throw it down? Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. Can you press record on my thing, though?
Alrighty.
Oh, are you going to record it coming down?
Yeah, from here.
Hey, Bobby, there's a sledgehammer in here.
Now I want to use my trusty machete. Okay, let me press record.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Are you recording on yours?
Yeah.
Ready? This is how we do. Coming down.
Bob, just let the professional do it. Honey, help the machete. Don't smash it. Put the balls into it. Come on.
Bobby, smash.
Hold.
Is this still recording in slow-mo?
Yeah, you can record the.
Aren't you supposed to do it on the tarp?
Yes. Thank you, Nate. That's what the rake's for, to rake everything on the top. Okay, put some balls into this. Oh, shit. And I was gonna use that stupid machete and do nothing. Look, nothing. Look at them.
Stop, want to record?
No, I don't want to do nothing. No, I don't want.
Oh, someone hit it.
I don't want to be involved in this foolishness. Leave it. Hey, you're gonna be picking all this shit up, everybody.
Look at all this glass. The plastic glass.
Bobby, every time you do that, it's all over the place. Come on,
Yeah, booby.
idiot. You're gonna grab your wire out of there if there's any.
Yeah.
Yo.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Bob. Now all you're doing is making a mess.
No, I didn't need that.
I'm cutting the wire.
Yeah.
Put it up. Put on a plastic or the table. Put on the table. Bob, what are you doing?
It's stuck.
Yeah, but
Hey, you gotta record the thing. Come home anywhere? Flip flops. We didn't dare to do this with TV.
yeah, but the TV wasn't made out of styrofoam either.
Bob, get over here. So we
Wait,
can see the actual stuff.
Nate, I think your camera's still recording.
I know.
I'm good.
Like, walk over here.
All right.
Bob, can I switch machetes? Can I use katana, Nate?
I'm done.
I'm gonna use Hanzo. Yeah. Oh!
How about that? How about that fan? You gonna use that fan?
Yeah, it has a motor in it.
Yeah, well.
Oh, I know. There's a little bit more pot.
Oh yeah, been a half hour. Okay.
Pop, what do you...
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Turn it off.
Shall I explain the rest?
Alrighty, this is the wreckage. Pretty cool. No one was hurt with machetes and refrigerators dropping. Oh, and the extra camera that was lost. And we were supervised. Bye.